Hey y'all, so I have some oranges that are starting to get a little bit old, so I'm going to make some orange marmalade. Um, if I get more than what I think we'll use in the fridge, because I'm not going to can them, I'm just going to make them fresh, and I'll give some away if I have too much, but I'm just using the ball book, and here's what it calls for. 2 cups of sliced orange peel, 1 quart of chopped orange pulp, that's just the insides, 1 cup of thinly sliced lemon, but I'm going to have this recipe, I think, and then water and sugar because I only have 4 oranges right there. And first I'm going to wash them off really well. Don't get dizzy. Okay, let's get to washing. Now it says to slice the orange peels thinly. So cut in half crosswise and remove seeds, but no seeds because these aren't really oranges. They're really just like clementines or whatever. And reserve the peel. So let me get to cutting in half. I'm just going to cut in quarters because I want to. So now I'm going to just take the peels off. There was a seed. Make sure you look for those, okay? So 2 cups going into the pot. I'm going to see how much I get. I hope I can get as close to 4 for a full quart. So I got another cup. So we're going to say 3/4 of the recipe because it calls for a quart of oranges. So, and now to slice the lemons thinly. I'm only going to do 3/4 because that's all the oranges I had. And you know how good citrus smells. It's supposed to be really good for any kind of depression or bad mood. So if you ever are feeling that way, eat one citrus or put some on the stove and cook it like potpourri with some cinnamon. All right, so now I've got to pull all the seeds out of the lemons. Be right back. So I wanted you to slice all the lemon peels off, and it wanted you to have a whole cup, but I don't. But I'm taking all the innards out here and like squeezing the rest of the juice out because I'm just putting this in the fridge fresh. I'm not canning it. If you're canning it, you are going to want to do it more precise to the recipe. But for now, I'm just winging it. I'm doing what I want. It's a women's intuition, you know. So squeezing that all out of there. Make sure to get it in the cup. Alright. So there I only have like, oh gosh, maybe like not even a third, but it's my recipe and they're gonna like it. I'm actually gonna cut up a little bit of the orange peel, and it calls for 2 cups of thinly sliced, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna cut these up pretty good. I'm gonna take the hard part off the end. I'm just gonna cut them up to like that, like tooth size. And throw them in. And I'm just gonna do about like 1 orange worth of the pieces. Okay, I'm gonna take this over. Come along. All right, we're gonna boil this with some sugar. Let me get the sugar first. Actually, I'm supposed to cook this down, and for each cup of cooked fruit, I'm supposed to add 1 cup of sugar. So we're gonna boil this and cook this down for a while, and then I will bring you back. Okay, I'm gonna try to measure this even though I think it's only about 2 cups. That's probably what I'm gonna estimate it, because since I'm not canning it, I don't have to have all that sugar in there. Don't try this at home. See, don't second guess me. Other than the stuff that fell out, it's 2 cups. And we'll just plop that right back in there like nobody ever saw. Back to the stove we go. Okay, using my organic sugar. I keep forgetting which side the camera's on because I flipped the phone around. So I'm gonna use, I think I'm just gonna go with 1.5 cups of sugar, so it's not as much. You know, oranges already have that natural sugar. So, that's half. That's about 1. And 1.5. We're gonna call that good. Oh, and it says to boil rapidly, so if you couldn't hear it, it is. I swear it smells like Easter, like an Easter ham. I don't know, I guess because you put pineapple over the ham. Smelling good. Okay, so it's been boiling, and I'm going to drain, put it in a funnel over my jars, fill them up, and let them cool. No, we'll do it over a plate because I'm missing too much of it. Hold on. Okay, okay, come on. You can call me untraditional. So just slide the rest of this back on in. We're going to take a little from that. It's very hot. All that matters is safety and taste. And you can't go wrong making jelly unless you're canning it, then you got to follow the steps precisely. And you know what? I bagged up all my orange peels. I'm going to put in the fridge and save, and then I'm going to cook them up potpourri another day for a nice fresh scent. And now I'm going to try a method that I've seen where you put it upside down and see. I just want to see if it'll pop and seal. Decided to dump it all into one jar. Well, hello everyone, happy Tuesday. So I wanted to show you, I made the 1 jar of marmalade, and to me it's sealed. I had it turned upside down while it was still hot. So I wanted to see if it actually makes the pop test whenever I open it and unseal it. It's a little bit sticky. It did have air. It wasn't like a normal pop, like typical canned stuff, but I wanted to taste test it with my toast. I have the maple syrup because I'm also eating a little bit of cooked oatmeal with some flaxseed. And so let me give this a little spread. Smells like orange. And I wish my middle one lived closer because he likes to make orange chicken with orange marmalade. I would make him some, but okay. It's very chunky because I didn't use the immersion blender or anything like that. It's great. It has a little bit of tanginess with the lemon that I put in there, but it just reminds me of Christmas. One year I did give orange marmalade away in little jars for Christmas, and so that's a nice, easy way of getting a lot in to give away. But now I'm off to eat my breakfast, and I hope that y'all have a blessed day and a blessed week, Holy Week. And y'all take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on Thursday, Lord willing. Take care. God bless. Love you. Bye.